Hello. In this video, we will see how we can create a single image and then edit that. So first, let's go to create new. I will select social media and single image. Next, I'll select the size and I'll click on continue. So this is where I'll be entering my input about what kind of uh, single image I want to create. Then from the right side, I can do some customization like my template or the images which I want to use for my post and so on. Now I click on generate. Yeah. So now you can see my post has been generated. So I can just click on this post and I can see how it looks. And now I can click on this edit button here, this option. So now our main USP is that this post is fully editable. Starting from the template to the text to the design to the image, we can change everything. So let's change the template first. I will go to design here in the left side. And from here, I'll just pick a template. So for example, in this kind of post, there is no logo of my brand. Maybe I want a logo to be placed in my post. So what I'll do is I'll select a template which has my logo. For example, this one, I can see there is logo in the top. So I'll just click on this and my post will be changed. Yeah. So now you can see my logo is also coming. I can move it to the middle, or maybe if I want to move it, I can do that. Then I can change the text also. So I can just double click on the, I can completely change it. I can even AI rewrite it, and maybe let's say if I want to make it more formal, I can do that. Or I can, if I want to make it more or friendly, I can do that. Or funny, I can do that. Yeah. So the next thing is, let's say if I want to change the image for this post. So this is a AI generated images, but let's say if I want to recreate this image, I'll click on AI recreate, and this is the input of the image. Now I can completely change this. I can change something in this, and then I can click on generate, and then the AI image will be regenerated. Yeah, so it is regenerated. Yeah. Now moving on to the text part. So text is basically, let's say if I want to add a new text to this post, maybe from here I can pick any one of those, or maybe I just want a body text. So I'll just click on create body text, and here if you see the body text has been created, I can add anything in this, and then I can place it anywhere in my post. Yeah, I can even add more fonts from here. So I can just upload more fonts, and then I can upload the text, or I can create the text in that font. Now coming to media, media is basically the images or the video which I will be using in my post. So there are few images which is searched by AI. As you can see, the AI is searching these images. These are all the images relevant to my post, because my post is regarding cleaning. And you can see these are all the images regarding the same. Now I can even search for an image. Let's say I don't want AI searched images. I will search for maybe, let's say, yoga. So yeah, so like that, a few images will come to me, and maybe let's say if I want to pick one of those, I can do that. Same thing with AI illustration. So we have AI illustration also. So let's say if you want to pick any one of those, you can do that. Now coming to upload. Uploads is basically, let's say I don't want AI session images, or I don't want a stock image to use in my post. After creating a post, I want to change that image from my own product image or my own service image. Then I can come to uploads. I can click on uploads, and from here I can just pick any different image. For example, I will just click on this image, and let's say if I want to go with this one, I will click on it and it will be changed. Now I can double click on it and I can crop it, and done. So let's say if I want to go with this image, then done. Otherwise, I can upload a new image and then do the same thing for that. Okay. Now I'll just undo it. Yeah. Okay. So next thing is elements. So elements is basically you can add multiple shapes in the post. You can use it for masking and other stuff, and you can just search for different images from here. Maybe let's say star. So I can search for that, and then yeah, so I'll get few of the icons for that. Now illustration is something which I talked about in the uploads also. But let's say if you want to search for an illustration, you can do that from here and then use that. Last thing is icons. So we have multiple icons. You can even select any one of those and then use it in the post. Now coming to the last option, which is layers. Layers is basically all the things in the post. For example, there is a logo. So I think this is the logo. So if I click on it, you will see that it has been highlighted. So from this, I can see that what is the layers for each of my things, and maybe I can just lock it, or I don't want to change it while editing, or maybe I want to delete it, or maybe I want to see how my post looks without it. For example, this is offer 20%. Let's say if I want to remove it, okay, so this is how my post will look if this offer is not there. So it will help me in editing part, and yeah, okay. Now, one more option is I can even resize this post. So let's say if I want to add more sizes for the same post, I can do that. From here, I can just pick a different size, for example, this one, and I can just use this. One second. Yeah, first I'll just make sure I click on this keep my edits so that my edits are taken care of. Now I'll click on add more and I click on this option and I can click on confirm. So I can select multiple sizes. I can even add a manual size and then create a post in that size. And it is done, I think. Yeah. So this is the different size. Yeah. Okay. So I think I covered most of the part regarding editing. We have few more options in the top. Like if I want to add some effects, I can click on effects. And from here, I can just choose that. Maybe I want to blur it. I can increase the blurriness or I can decrease it brightness. Or maybe if I want to add some colors effects, I can do that. Then if I want to apply a mask to a post, I can even do that. For example, let's say if I want to use this one, I can just use it and then I can just mask my post. So for example, if I pick this one, then if you can see that on the all the corners of the post, it has been masked. Similarly for this one, this is also you can see like this masking has been done. So yeah, so I'll just remove the mask for now. So you can explore all these options from here in the top and then use it. Yeah. So this was all regarding editing. Now at the end, one very important thing which we need to do is we need to save all these. So I'll click on this save button. Here this option is save. I click on it and my edits has been saved. Now I can just download this post or I can just directly share this post. Anything. Yeah. Thank you.